Hello, I'm Ralph Jolo Arizabal from BSHM4B. Today, I'm going to demonstrate some ergonomics positions that can help me and you. But before I demonstrate these positions, let's talk first what is ergonomics and its types. What is ergonomics? Ergonomics comes from the Greek word ergon meaning work and nomos meaning laws. Ergonomics is designed for workers to increase productivity and efficiency while reducing discomfort and fatigue. Ergonomics helps prevent body pain, fatigue, stress, and workplace injuries by encouraging proper posture, safe movements, sustainable equipment, and well-organized work areas. It also considers how people think, communicate, and process information while working. Overall, ergonomics helps create a workplace where employees can perform their tasks effectively while protecting their health, safety, and well-being. So here are the three major types of ergonomics: physical ergonomics, organizational ergonomics, and cognitive ergonomics. The three major types of ergonomics are used to create a workplace that is safe, comfortable, efficient, and productive. Physical ergonomics focuses on reducing physical strain and preventing injuries. Organizational ergonomics improves teamwork, communication, and workplace system. Cognitive ergonomics helps workers understand and process information more easily. Together, they help ensure that the work environment, tools, tasks, and system are designed according to people's physical and mental abilities, leading to better performance, fewer mistakes, and improved overall well-being. Today, I will demonstrate 5 physical ergonomics positions. After applying physical ergonomics in the workplace, you can experience less physical strain, fewer injuries, better posture, and greater comfort while performing tasks. It can also improve productivity, efficiency, and overall job performance because workers are able to work more safely and comfortably. That's all. Thank you for watching.